today we're going to draw an eye. You need pencils and a rubber. Start off with a nice arch and the underneath. This is going to be just where the eyelashes come out, and that's the lower part of the eye. There's a tear duct. I'm using a 6B pencil mainly because it's nice and dark. You get good definition, but you can use any pencil. So putting on the top eyelashes, make sure that they go out towards the outer side of the eye, and obviously the smaller ones are near the tear duct, which is near the nose. Just adding on some little eyelashes at the bottom. You can add to these later. This is just to start us off. Now remember, you're drawing the eyeball, but you're not drawing a full circle. You're going to have the eyes sort of sitting inside this arch, but notice I've left a little bit of a gap at the bottom. And then I'm going to draw the pupil. This is the black part of the eye. Really going to be pressed down and dark. So I'm just leaving a shine, that little circle's a shine. I'm just going to shade in, pressing down quite hard. This is a 6B, will really give a good definition. But any pencil will do, just have to press a little bit harder. And obviously you can try this in felt pen or coloured pencils. Going for some real darkness, just to get a sense of drama in the eye. We're just going to have a tiny bit more light there. Another light there. These I just want to leave white so that we get a little bit more shine at the end. It makes it look a little bit more realistic. Just using very quick lines coming out from the pupil. And they're not particularly just straight. They've got a slight arch to them. Obviously, take your time when you're doing it. Just shading in the corners now, just really getting a little bit of darkness. You can use the side of the pencil too. I'm just going to smudge it there just to start the tone. Going a little bit darker at the top, and then really starting to get some blackness just at the top there. Use the side of the pencil. There we are. Just be careful to keep it quite neat. Smudging with your fingers is great, just for tone, just gives a nice effect. I'm just making the outer part of the eyeball really much darker. And this will just give a little bit more of the impression of being nice and sort of dramatic. Obviously you can add colour. Coloured pencil's quite good for this. And vary the weight that you put onto the pencil. So obviously the harder you press down, the darker you will get. I'm going to go dark right near the pupil. And then I'm leaving a little bit of lighter tone as I go sort of towards the middle, and then darker on the edges. And we'll use the eraser later just to take out certain areas. Just be careful you don't go over those light areas. We want to keep those. Okay, really go heavy dark just under the eyelid. Shade in, side of the pencil. Using the side of the pencil and then smudging with my finger. It just creates a soft effect. It's always quite good to use your fingers just to do the tone. Getting darker at the edges. Just use his finger to smudge. A little bit of an eraser just to take out the shine. You can use blue tack for that as well. That's always good. Just getting heavier with the darkness just to make a bit more drama. Using rubber just to get the whites of the eyes slightly lighter, but we are going to go heavier with the shadow. So using the side of the pencil for the tear duct, this is why it's quite nice to use a 6B or a 4B because you get a much softer effect, especially with the smudging. So try and get yourself a nice pencil. Sketching pencils are great. Range of B to 6B is good. Use the side of the pencil again and just smudging very gently. Really just want to create just sort of an off-white feel. You can obviously put little veins in there, but we're going for a more glamorous effect. Darken just under the eyeball, just that lower area, and again smudging with my fingers. Intensely dark there underneath. This would look great, obviously, with coloured pencils as well, where you could just get a range of tones. And colours would be great on this. But for now, it's quite nice just to experiment with a 6B or a 4B. Regular pencils are fine. Obviously, you'd have to press a little bit harder. The smudging might not be as effective. Now I'm just going to go for just a little bit of darkness in that eyeball, just to give it a little bit of depth. Okay, long black lashes. You can go really heavy on these. More dramatic, the longer the lashes. Keeping that sort of still quite neat. There we are. Okay. Try to avoid smudging it with your hand as you're actually drawing. Sometimes it's good to put a piece of paper just underneath your hand that's doing the drawing, just so you don't smudge the actual effect. Okay, last finishing touches. The shine is very important, and there you are. Happy drawing. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. Subscribe to our channel, Mini Picassos. Happy drawing!